remember this nightmare. I promised to fix this disaster. The internet said boil it with soda and soap and it peels right off. Lies. I boiled this thing for 2 hours. Look at that foam reaction though. But guess what? I still had to scrape it like crazy. It's definitely cleaner, but this was not a 5-minute hack. My arm is dead. Step 1. Remove the handle. It's got to fit. Boiling water plus 3 tbsp of baking soda. Watch that fizz. Add dish soap or grated bar soap. Simmer for 2 hours. Don't let it overflow. Time to scrape. You'll need some serious muscle. More soda and vinegar, hoping for a miracle. Grease is gone, but the crust is still there. Guys, be real with me.
Huh?
How do you actually remove this heavy carbon buildup without toxic chemicals? Tell the professor in the comments. Subscribe and join the family. I'm all about keeping it real, no fake hacks. Just honest testing. Let's find the best eco-friendly secrets together.